Hi guys, this is Hammad Hussain and here I am with a highly reputable internship straight from the House of Parliament Rajya Sabha Fellowship and Internship Program 2021. So the applications are invited for Dr. S. Radhakrishnan Chair 4 Rajya Sabha Fellowships from eminent scholars of repute with relevant experience and suitable qualification. Applications are also invited for 10 student engagement internships from students pursuing graduation and post-graduation studies in any field to provide them an opportunity to acquaint themselves with the working of Indian Parliament, especially the Rajya Sabha. The objective of this internship scheme is to help the students with different procedural aspects of the working of Indian Parliament. Selection of interns shall be done by the Rajya Sabha Secretariat as per the direction of the Secretary General Rajya Sabha. The eligibility of the students is that they should be pursuing graduation and post-graduation courses in any discipline. There would be 10 internships, 5 each for the graduate and postgraduate applicants. The internship positions among the graduate and postgraduate applications will, however, vary depending upon the application received and the suitability of the applicants. Interns would be deployed in the key sections of the Secretariat, that is the legislative section, bill office, table office, committee sections, etc., under the supervision, mentoring of the concerned head of the branch for acquainting them with the functioning of the Secretariat. The internship will be for a period of 2 months from the date of the award of the internship. An intern would be paid a consolidated amount of Rs 10,000 per month as a stipend. On the successful completion of the internship, a certificate would be presented to each of the interns signed by the Secretary General Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha Fellowship Scheme focuses on various aspects of functioning of parliamentary institutions and the issues and challenges facing these institutions. There shall be 4 fellowships. The fellowships is open to scholars who have relevant educational qualification experience for undertaking the study in line with the objective of the scheme. Former members of the Parliament, state legislatures and former officers of Parliament, state legislature secretariats are also eligible to apply. An applicant for the fellowship should be between 25 to 65 years of age at the time of application. An applicant should have minimum master's degree in social science, law and other related disciplines relevant to the subject of study. Preferences will be given to those who possess higher qualifications of MPhil and PhD. The total amount of research grant for each fellowship will be Rs 8 lakh for the entire duration. Duly filled in applications along with duly filled in proformas for Dr. S. Radhakrishnan Chair at the email provided in the description on or before 31st of March 2021. These internships and fellowships are of great repute. Don't miss this chance and remember that the last date for application is March 31st.